I enjoy putting on makeup as much as the next girl. But there's one thing every cosmetic fiend can agree with. It's such a pain to take off. You can never find the right product or just doesn't cleanse well enough. I've had products irritate my skin due to some rigorous removal attempts. And I've also had them leaving my skin feeling really oily and greasy. So what's the perfect fix? Hopefully, I'll be finding the cure to all my removal problems today. Hi, I'm Mohana and today I'll be trying out the Dot & Key Skin Cleansing Steam Balm to take my makeup off. This makeup removing balm is packed with nutrients and nourishing essential oils that will take off your most stubborn and waterproof makeup effortlessly. Thanks to the neroli and lime extracts in this product, it'll leave your skin feeling really refreshed. And if you use it with a hot steam cloth, it'll deep cleanse your skin as well. So the first thing that caught my eye is this beautiful pastel packaging, which really agrees with my aesthetic. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So it comes with this really adorable little container. And there's an instruction manual in this as well, which explains how to use the product. And of course, a cute little spatula. Scoop out some product using the spatula. Massage the balm onto your skin and gently take off the makeup. If necessary, rinse your eyes with water once you're done. The cleansing balm had a really refreshing scent and it managed to take off all my makeup, even my waterproof mascara. This product didn't strip my face of its natural oils like some cleansers I've done in the past, and it left my skin feeling really nourished. Unlike other makeup removers that require cotton pads or tissues, this product requires nothing and has no wastage, which is a definite plus point for me. So now that all the makeup residue is off my skin, it's time to nourish and replenish it with a boost of hydration. If there's one thing us oily skin girls out there can agree with, it's how difficult it is to find the perfect moisturizer. We all know the importance of hydrating our skin, but is there a product that moisturizes without clogging our pores or leaving us with that greasy feeling? Let's find out. This product is a 2-in-1 moisturizer and serum with a lightweight texture that claims to keep you hydrated all day long. It contains tea tree oil to battle shine by absorbing excess oils and helping you achieve a matte finish. Just like the previous product, this too has that beautiful pastel packaging. This is really efficient because it comes with a pump, making it travel friendly as well. And there's an instruction manual in this as well. Pump out a sufficient amount of face serum onto your fingertips. Dot it evenly all over your clean face and neck. Pat in the serum and massage in circular motions till it's completely absorbed. As soon as I opened the cap, I found out the smell was really overpowering and I did not enjoy that. Also, the pump was super difficult to use and the product splattered everywhere. Although the product hydrated my skin, it claimed to have a matte finish and my skin feels a little greasy. So I don't think I'll be using this product again. So now that you know which products work for the perfect removal routine, pull out those colorful shadows and waterproof mascaras. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.